Faoba Petrol Pump Sing HANGKHIGANI. National Highway 37 Imphal Jiribam Highway Paring the Louhouba illegal tax singi matangda manipur Leingakna chap chaba thabak pangthoknabagi damakta tha sigi tara mangada numit tara mangani gi matam piraduna chief minister da memorandum ama pisinkibadugi matam ngasi loire haina Manipur Petroleum Transporters and Drivers Association gi cherolama Oil Manipur Bulk LPG Transporters Association ki General Secretary na convener oiduna khuyek piraga thadorapa cherolama phongdorakli cherol asina hai memorandum asiga mari leinana ngarang Leingakki authority ga miyot singa gi marakta mifoma pangthoktuna illegal tax ki matangda khanakri amasung national highway singda illegal tax loba singi mathakta thabak lokhatnaba amasung thawong asi muthatnaba state ki oiba loma semnanaba suggestion tawnakri Mifam asina khanakiba amasung suggestion tawnakhrabsu chap chaba warep ama illegal tax ki matangda purakri maram asina tha asigi taramanga ta pishinkiba memorandum da mangjawnana phongdokhibagi matung inna haying July ki tang 13 dagi steering wheel down strike junction ba hauragani hairi strike asigi manungda malom oil depot da thau thaba yaroi amasung depot asidagi petrol pump retail outlet singda thau piba yaroi segmai bottling plant da LPG thaba yaroi amasung plant asidagi gas agency singda LPG piba yaroi new Kaithel manbi dagi ahangba truck sing pubada saruk yaroi amasung Jiribam dagi loaded tanker sing purakpadasu yauroi ngasi Faobada National Highway 37 da panduna leirakpa ahangba amasung loaded truck singdi masagi thungphamda yauhangadabani amasung July 2023 Faobada aroibo oina Louhouba stock singdi Loidriba Faoba Petrol pump namak thong hangani strike manungda miyamna mayuknagadaba khudongchadaba sing asigidamakta nungaitaba phongdokli hairaduna national highway singda illegal tax lawrukpadagi khusem gi oina thau gi mamal hengal halakpiba asigi mayukta pomnamakna saugatpiu hairasu appeal tawrakli